As it pertains to engaging the world, we have these fundamental institutions that shape us. For me to have an exhibition at the Carnegie Museum represents the culmination of my unique orientation and journey into the arts. When I think about my earliest experiences at the museum, one of the first things that I responded to was the idea of innate beauty. You see the Hall of Minerals, or you see the dinosaur bones, or we see the Hall of Birds. And then we see expressions of color and form and surface. There should be a humility that comes out of the awesomeness of that which is already here and that was here long before us. I've just been especially taken by the formal qualities of the natural world and the countless birds that are available here. I was given the support and authority to arrange them in such a way that I would if I were painting or sculpting with these objects. You know, sometimes we have these fragments of history, and those of us artists who are inspired by the circumstances revolving around the mystery of these objects have to kind of fill in the blanks.